So picture you have a part that requires a formed feature. This is a machine that would take care of it for you. An example of a formed feature: embosses, lances, electrical knockouts or EKOs, louvers. We have the solution, which is our Strip It ST1212 CNC turret press. A turret press, it's fast, it has a brush table so that it can minimize scratches on the bottom of your part. So let me give you a quick tour of how a CNC turret press works. The first step is that we load a program into the computer, which is written by our engineering department. The next step is we'll take a blank or a cut sheet and we'll load it into the machine here, into these two clamps. Now let me show you the heart of the machine. In here is where all the tools are. This is called the turret because it spins around. This machine holds up to 29 different tools. There can be different sizes, different shapes. So there's rounds, rectangles, oblongs, and then there's also forming tools that can do countersinks, embosses, part number stamps, louvers, etc. So here's an example here of a round punch. This is the top, and when this is compressed, the punch will come out of this hole here, and it'll go into a die on the bottom with a similar sized hole. The material is in place, we hit the start button, and the machine moves the material underneath the turret. We get the question quite often, do I have to pay for tooling? We have a large library of tools. In most cases, we have the tooling that you need. We also have a large library of perforating tools. Quite often, a customer will have a requirement for a particular perf pattern, and quite often we have either that perf pattern or something very close that you might be able to live with. So here's a good example of a part that was punched with the perforation tool on our punch press. Luckily, we have perforation tools that can do 3, 4, 5, 12 holes at a time.
It's about time for flawless design assistance, quick turn laser cutting, forming, welding, polishing and painting, to final assembly, or any process in between.